So your next topic is Lewis structure and covalent bond. So first of all, the conditions for writing the Lewis dot structure of molecules means what are the conditions? How to write the covalent bond using the Lewis dot structures. First of all, the main conditions for writing the electron dot structure of covalent bond molecules are first is each bond is formed as a result of sharing of an electron between the atoms. Okay, so basically each in covalent bond it is necessary for each and every bond to be formed by the sharing of the electron pair between them. Not a single electron, means electron pair is being shared between the atoms. Okay, next one is each combining atom contributes one electron to the shared pair. Okay, so the shared pair has one electron contributed by each and every atom of that bond. Okay, and the last condition is both combining atoms attain the stable outer shell noble gas configuration as a result of sharing of the electrons. In the last class also I had told you that for the basic idea behind the bond formation is the attainment of noble gas configuration. Means each and every atom tries to get a noble gas configuration, and because of that only they combine. Okay, so in this case also the combining atoms combine themselves just to get the noble gas configuration. Okay, so to get stabilized. Okay, so let's take here the example of CCl4, carbon tetrachloride. Okay, so according to the Lewis dot structure, this is your carbon atom, and in carbon atom you all know that there are 4 electrons in the carbon atom. Okay, and in case of chlorine there are 4 chlorine atoms. Let me draw it here. Okay, here this is carbon atom with 4 electrons, and this is chlorine atom. We have 4 chlorine atoms. So to show it in Lewis dot form, we place it on the 4 sides. In chlorine atom, the outermost shell has 7 electrons, so we put 7 dots here around each chlorine atom. We put 7 dots, 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7. So each chlorine atom will have 7 electrons in its outermost shell. Okay, now we have to show the sharing. Means the carbon atom is having 4 electrons in its outermost shell. It means that it needs 4 electrons more to get an octet, to get a noble gas configuration. Okay, so for that it will share electron from all these 4 chlorine atom, and chlorine atom also needs 1 electron to get its octet. Okay, as chlorine atom is having 7 electrons, it means that it needs only 1 electron to get its octet. Okay, so for completing its octet, first this chlorine atom shares 1 electron from here, then its octet is completed. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so this is way, in this way each chlorine atom will combine with the carbon atom to complete its octet. Okay, and now this carbon atom is having 4 electrons. It means that it will need 4 electrons more to complete its octet. So in that case, from all these 4 chlorine atom, it will share its electron. Okay, so this is how it will also complete its octet. 1 2 3 4 5 6 and 7 and 8. Okay, so this is how we have to represent the covalent bond through Lewis dot structure.